Hi, I'm Chris with the Shell Vacations Club Owner Education Team. Welcome to your Learning on Demand education series. Today I'm going to be talking about your RCI external exchange benefits as a Shell Vacations Club owner. Let's get started. RCI is the world's largest worldwide external exchange company, and it offers access to over 4,300 affiliated exchange properties in nearly 110 different countries. As a Shell Vacations Club owner, you have access to all of these amazing properties and unique benefits that are affiliated with RCI. One of the most valuable benefits of being an RCI member is the Instant Exchange Discount benefit. This benefit allows you to book a full week or nightly stay vacations for half of the points indicated on the SVC Worldwide Exchange Points chart. It's important to remember that these vacations have to be requested and confirmed 60 days or less prior to arrival. Think of it as a last-minute deal. However, there's no limit to the number of instant exchange trips you can book, and you can use allocated, rented, banked SVC points. Keep in mind that standard RCI exchange fees apply, which we'll go over at the end of this video. And also, the ongoing search option is not accepted for instant exchange. Members can take advantage of instant exchanges by booking online or by phone. If you prefer to use your points for other vacation experiences, we completely understand. You can still take advantage of either extra vacation getaways or last call vacations, where you can get a full week stay at an RCI property available for an affordable rate. As an SVC member, you receive an additional discount on top of the already low rate. And just like instant exchange, there's no limit to the number of extra vacation getaways and last call vacations you can book. Even better, you can book these reservations for friends and family members as well. This benefit can also be booked online or by calling in and speaking with one of our agents. RCI has different membership levels, and each one offers its own extra benefits. All SVC members are automatically enrolled as a standard RCI member, which includes additional benefits such as unit upgrades, resort changes, point savings, ongoing search, and nightly stays. With your Platinum membership, you'll receive access to even more exclusive inventory and reduced exchange fees, as well as free unit upgrades and unit changes. Signature Prestige and Grandfather Elite members receive this membership tier upgrade automatically. How great is that? You can find a full list of benefits for RCI Standard and RCI Platinum by visiting shellvacationsclub.com. RCI's point extension program allows you to extend the life of your points up to 1 year after the current expiration. We want to make sure that you never let those points expire, which is why that benefit's available. And then finally, what about those fees that I keep mentioning? Well, here's a list of the current exchange fees with RCI. They are based on week-long and nightly stay exchanges, but are always a good deal. You can even add a guest certificate for friends and family. And just so you know, these fees are listed in US dollars, and this chart is always available for viewing on shellvacationsclub.com under the external exchange link. That covers your benefits with RCI. I really hoped you enjoyed this, and most importantly, that you learned something. For more Shell Vacations Club owner education videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit us on social media, or log into shellvacationsclub.com and click on the education banner.